My John Deere L110 has an electrical issue whereas the battery continues to drain. A brand new John Deere battery from last week mowed just once and then no longer works. I have had it on a charger on low for 3 days now with only 20% charge reading, and I only get clicks when I try to restart it.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Battery is dead, the charger is not charging the battery. Either use charger on high or use another charger. The clicking when you try to start is solenoid chattering from low voltage. Do you have a voltmeter to check the charging system? You need to check battery voltage before starting, should be at least 12.5 volts, and then with engine running at full throttle, voltage has to be at least 1 more volt, or 13.5 volts. If it is, the charging system is working. If voltage does not increase, the charging system is not working and will need repair. You can jump start with vehicle, just do not have engine running when jump starting, or it will damage the mower's voltage regulator. Let me know, we can go from here. Thank you.
I will be going to buy a voltmeter later today, we'll check back in. I also moved charged up to 12 volt medium or 6A from 2A to see if that works.
Okay.
Okay, after taking the charger off and putting a new one on, I see that the charger was good but the gauge was bad. The new charger shows 95% charged and 13.1 volts at rest and starts up and revs to 13.7. I will need to go through another test run and see if the root problem was the loose wire or corroded terminal and check back in. This will likely be tomorrow as it is raining.
If it is showing 13.7 volts, the charging system is working. Let me know. Thank you.
So I went back out to restart it an hour after taking charger off and it gave me solenoid clicking noises. I waited 10 minutes, hooked up the charger to check voltage, which also does a slow charge, and took it off after 1 minute. It started right back up.
Maybe a bad connection, the clicking noise at the solenoid is sign of low voltage.
Okay, so when charger cables are attached and the unit is not plugged in, it starts every time. When not, it just clicks. Just cut entire lawn, no issue, but needed cables to restart it.
Sounds like the battery cables at the battery are not making the connection. I would go back and recheck the cables connections. The charger is completing the circuit. The clips on the charger.
Bingo. I just saw your note, but I figured that had to be it with a ground wire. It now restarts without the ground. Looks like a few loose wires over time caused it to appear like the battery was dead. Now I have a voltmeter to confirm. Thank you for your advice. I will try to restart tomorrow to make sure it is holding charge. Restarts without the cables, I meant.
Okay, let me know. Thanks for the reply.
Curtis, it starts up fine today. Thanks for your advice, you were way more helpful than the local John Deere staff. Final question. Is the 0.6 V jump at startup sufficient to indicate a healthy system?
Yes, as long as the voltage increases, it is good. But check it with engine at full throttle and also with blades running. As long as it stays above the voltage it was with it off, the charging system is healthy.
The tractor works fine now, an electrical problem resolved. Next time, I will check for loose and corroded wires. Thanks again. Tom.
Thank you. Please rate in a positive manner.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.